So guys, welcome back. So if you guys remember, I put these gray wire loom covers on a little bit ago, but I want to change them up just because they don't really pop at all. They kind of blend right in. So I picked up some red wire loom. Like I said, this stuff is cheap. I think this was like $7 on Amazon. It's 10 feet. This is enough to do everything that you can possibly cover without melting them on this car. So like I said, nothing crazy here, but it's just a little touch. They have different colors, like 10 different colors you can do. Just adds a little bit of color actually to the engine compartment because it's kind of blah. Trying to do like a more red theme in here. Very easy. You just cut it with scissors, and it has a split on one side. It covers it. If you guys remember, I did this carbon fiber A from Deep Blue Chrome LLC. I might do that red, change it and do like a red carbon fiber to kind of blend in. But let me go ahead and put this stuff on, and I'll show you the difference it makes. So I wrapped everything up. As you can see, it does automatically just kind of pop a little bit better. For how cheap it is, adds a little bit to it. I feel like the gray just you couldn't really tell, but I like that. I want to add some more red to the engine cover to tie it in more. Like I said, I might just do the red A, change that up a little bit right here, have them do the red carbon fiber. I think would look really sharp. Maybe add some red vinyl to the engine cover. Not sure quite yet, but dresses it up a little bit for under $10 mod. Just looks a little cleaner, helps protect the wires. Like I said, I'd stay away from anything that gets really hot. You know, anything close to the block, I didn't wrap because it is just a thin plastic. But I mean, this kind of stuff is fine. And they sell different gauges too, but I just chose the same one, and it's enough. You can kind of stretch it over with some bigger wires. But I'd stay away from anything close to this, just because you run the risk of it melting. Nothing down here for sure. Just stay on the top of the motor here. So I did this kind of stuff, cover some lines. You know, again, nothing exciting. Just I always like doing this. It adds just a little touch to it, kind of dresses it up, especially if you start adding a little bit of red vinyl. You know, get a different intake on it, all that kind of stuff. It just kind of makes it a little cleaner. So I just want to share that with you guys. Something I did under $10, cheap, nothing crazy. Okay, hope everyone's doing good. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks, everybody.